Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Diplomacy is Not an Option game on your PC. Guys, first open up your end browser and just open up the Steam website. So once you open it, here you will see the login option on the right hand top. So just click on this login option and guys simply sign into your account. And if you don't have an account, then just create an account. Simply scroll down and you will see the option of create an account. Guys, this is very simple and easy. Then just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. Then simply download the Steam and install it into your PC. And this is also very simple and easy process. After that, simply open up the Steam, then log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type here the game, which is the Diplomacy is Not an Option. Now this game appear on the top. So simply open up this game. Now here just scroll down and you'll see the option of add to cart. Now just click on the option of add to cart. But if you want to download a free version coming soon, just scroll down. And as you can see, this free version, which is the Pro League version. So when it was available, you can download it. But if you want to download the original game, then just click on the add to cart option you are seeing here. So once you click on that, here you will see the option of View My Cart. Just click on the View My Cart option and then click on the option of continue to payment. Now here simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. So once you pay the amount, now game was added to your Steam library. Just go to your Steam library and on the left hand side just click on this game, which is the Diplomacy Not an Option. Then just click on the install, and this is how you can download and install this game. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye and take care.